Why olive leaf shows up in wellness research. Olive trees have been valued for thousands of years, but the leaf of the plant contains some of its most concentrated and fascinating compounds. When researchers study natural foods for their potential biological activity, olive leaf consistently stands out. People exploring cancer-related information often come across olive leaf because scientists are examining how its natural phytochemicals interact with oxidative stress, inflammation, cellular balance, immune communication, metabolic stability. These areas are not medical treatments, they are general biological processes that researchers often investigate when studying overall cellular wellness. If you enjoy learning how natural ingredients and everyday foods support overall wellness, feel free to subscribe so you don't miss future videos like this. Your support helps this community grow. Key compounds inside olive leaf. Olive leaf contains several unique compounds that make it a frequent subject of scientific interest. Oleuropein, a bitter polyphenol responsible for olive leaf's signature taste. Researchers study oleuropein for its roles in oxidative balance and how it influences cellular behavior in controlled lab settings. Hydroxytyrosol, one of the most powerful plant-based antioxidants. Scientists explore hydroxytyrosol for the way it interacts with free radicals and cellular membranes. Oleanolic acid, a natural triterpenoid studied for patterns related to inflammation and cellular resilience. Flavonoids, plant compounds such as apigenin, luteolin, and rutin that support communication between cells and help maintain internal stability. These compounds do not diagnose, cure, or treat illness, but they are of interest to researchers examining how natural ingredients influence basic cellular processes. What scientists are exploring. Researchers studying wellness frequently look at how natural compounds influence antioxidant systems, inflammatory pathways, cellular cleanup mechanisms, immune signaling, mitochondrial function, the balance between cell growth and cell rest. In laboratory experiments, scientists expose cultured cells to olive leaf extracts to observe whether oxidative stress shifts, whether inflammatory markers increase or decrease, whether abnormal cells behave differently, how cellular metabolism changes under different conditions. These studies are preliminary, non-clinical, and not medical advice. They simply help scientists understand how natural compounds behave inside controlled environments. Why olive leaf appears in cancer-related discussions. People exploring cancer topics often ask why olive leaf appears so frequently in scientific discussions. Here is the safe, accurate explanation. In controlled laboratory studies, scientists have examined how olive leaf compounds influence the behavior of various cancer-related cell lines. What they generally observe includes changes in oxidative stress, shifts in inflammatory signaling, effects on abnormal cellular growth, interactions with cell cycle pathways. These are cell studies, not human clinical treatments. They reveal patterns, not prescriptions. They explore possibilities, not promises. This is why olive leaf continues to show up in research conversations, not because it is a cure, but because its natural compounds behave in interesting ways when studied in laboratory environments. How diet and lifestyle fit into the bigger wellness picture. While olive leaf is interesting on its own, scientists always place it within a larger context. People exploring cancer information often examine their entire diet and lifestyle, looking for ways to support cellular health, balanced inflammation, stable metabolism, stronger immune communication, better sleep, reduced stress. Natural foods and herbs, including olive leaf, show up in these discussions because they fit into a broader pattern of people choosing more whole foods, more plants, more antioxidants, more fiber, fewer ultra-processed sugars and oils. These habits do not cure disease, but many people describe feeling more balanced and in control of their wellness journey. Safe perspective. People want education, not false hope. They want scientific insight, not fear. They want natural wellness, not extreme claims. Olive leaf becomes part of these conversations because its compounds show interesting activity in controlled experiments, and because people are naturally curious about foods that may support overall well-being. But it is important to move forward with clarity. These studies are early. They do not replace medical treatment. They help us understand biology, not offer cures. They inform rather than instruct. You can explore natural foods confidently when you pair curiosity with responsible choices. What natural foods do you explore on your wellness journey? Share your experience in the comments. Your story may help someone else today. Empowering your wellness journey. This channel believes in clear information, balanced explanations, respect for science, respect for your choices, zero medical promises, zero sensational claims. Wellness is about building a lifestyle that supports your body day after day. Hydration, whole foods, gentle movement, meaningful rest, and emotional balance. Olive leaf is simply one natural ingredient among many that people explore as part of that journey. Moving toward a healthier lifestyle. As you continue learning about natural foods, ask questions, explore science without fear, look for whole food nutrition, build habits that feel sustainable, focus on long-term health, not quick fixes. This mindset encourages resilience, physically, mentally, and emotionally. If this video brought clarity or curiosity to your wellness journey, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who may appreciate a balanced, science-inspired approach to everyday foods. Your support helps this community grow and reach more people who value natural, thoughtful wellness. Conclusion. Thank you for spending this time learning about olive leaf and the natural foods people explore when learning about cancer. This video is about curiosity, not cures, knowledge, not claims, understanding, not fear. Stay hopeful, stay balanced, stay informed. Your wellness journey matters, and we're here to walk that path with you.